Welcome to another beautiful day. So today is the 4th day. Mojie's funeral. So today we are heading down to pick up some food. This was still the end. Puso boys.
Willie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. One more.
Yo guys, so this is the truck that comes from my village, straight in from Taveuni, Navakawau village. So some of my family members, they just send it through this guy, and it's so easy. So $15 per bag here. So now we have to take it back home and drop all the bags. So boys,
We're going to rewind Ravikas. So he'll be one of the chef on Mojie's funeral.
Menyiapkas.
Benavu tu.
You said in your English language, very half-has.
Apa?
Half-has.
Guten Morgen.
Guten Morgen.
Oh, guten Morgen. Daniabad.
So here is my OB.
Ini roll dulu.
So he'll be the head chef for Mojie's funeral. So they'll be the one cooking. Brother Anton and Agu. My family is from Suva, Taveuni, just arrived. Going down here. Go, Garitza, go! Go, Garitza, go! Tuan Bula, masa satu mai tai? Ramai tai? Suara unsi dari sini be unsi monrayer nge be sangaka.
Kita kena stir fry.
Iya. Ini saya bikin.
Oh ya, tuka ya, stir fry.
Mika.
You come down,
Mika.
Just say your name and where you come from.
I'm from Fiji.
Village.
I come from
What
Fiji.
place in Fiji?
Fiji dah, which company?
Fiji company.
Fiji wo.
Explain. Why you coming to Fiji?
Nasi batin, gombe.
Ayo Bula. Bula vinaka guys, Bula vinaka viewers watching from all over Fiji and the world. Here we are in Lautoka right now, eh? Man, ka.
Cocok, malah ini kok. Iya, Bula. I'm from Navakawau. Mojie. Iya.
What you coming doing in Lautoka?
I just come for the funeral of Mojie.
Okay, thank you.
Fuck you.
Hey, and you? Name. Eu não muta ti.
Usah kelele utu viro kepala ibu.
Saya bakal ka, caman.
Usah kelele utu ika.
Just say your name.
Sunan ika.
Kalau masuk.
Kalau apa?
Bula. Ingin Bula. Your name.
Sige, Bula betul
Bula.
Bula.
Say your name.
How are you?
Not me. Explain.
Bula. From Namosi, Nakabu, Vinaka.
What you coming doing in Lautoka?
One the run the town.
Huh?
One the run the town.
Ori Panji.
Yes.
Mode apa lagi?
Ayo, no mode pilih. Ikaw daw na kumagi.
Tutok onco ya. Wong Uncle Ben. Kalian gede. Ngor singunang kon nampung rangangat tuh.
Iya, raw dek nasingan din na.
Or nasarap sumainte. Not now.
Welcome to the Sweet City. So now we are heading to buy our shopping for Mojie's funeral. So this is a supermarket here. We are at Shop and Save now, shopping with the two main chefs on Mojie's funeral. Sesame oil. Yeah, big one. I think 4. So guys, here we bought Glad wraps, tissues. This is in Sugar City Mall. Yeah, just come and see this uncle. Leave it here.
Yeah. Yongshan plastic.
Thank you, uncle. We'll come back.
Thank you.
Check out this place. This fella's uncle is
Auntie here. Say something authentic.
Say something authentic.
Shop here with auntie.
Shop and Save Lautoka. I think auntie will give us discount today.
Makan dua.
Some shopping to the liquor store. You want some wines or some bourbon for your cooking?
Reptang tuangoro brother na kateni, so that it's easy for us to go home and know that this is ours, so that no one can touch it. Next stop, chef. Mall, next stop, Sugar City Mall. Woi, kita macam ni sentuh kampa vango, men. Dalam tu kena more. Fuck, man. So now we're at the Lautoka market looking for some vegetables, fresh one, pineapple. Bula, this is uncle.
Bula.
Yeah, so if you want to buy vegetables, come see uncle here in Lautoka market.
Just middle of the market.
Middle of the market.
Okay, thank
Uncle,
you.
you single? The ladies want to know.
Huh?
The German
I
ladies.
one way, but I want another one.
How much you give it?
Okay, give $5
$5 too.
Black plastic, eh?
Okay guys, we are here back at Crest. Pick up the chicken. Okay, now we have to go back home. Okay guys, so now we are heading to Vuda to try to get some pork. So this is the Randini chef for tomorrow. Gorto may vomo Sandina. Hello.
13.29.
Oh, so in Fiji, if you are going to a party, a funeral or birthday, this is what you should do.
This is how the grog doing in flip-flop. So you should take different pairs so that no one can steal it.
When you come from Taveuni, you go back from Kantabu and from Taveuni. That's why.
Apa lagi? The multiple choice. Hey. Hey, what about?
It's an emergency.
Bula vinaka again. As you could see, this is the collection rabbits boys. Do company ni tapa ko?
No good, no. I'm talking.
Kaya to lulu nga gorin. Ay. Ay. So, pamatal tikim do. Ngay live tu ngocong sa subscribe serangan na.
We from here staying in Jinnu Road, Lautoka. Yeah, rubbish collector. We're gonna finish all Jinnu side. Going down to Lautoka corridor. Tilue.
This is the yang gonna squad. Talawang kasih squad. Weh, untuk mana belum mikir talawang kasih gas.
Oh, tinggu. Malo.
Bisa malom bos.